So, and finally, close the connection by using what? Object name dot method name. Okay. That is what we have seen yesterday. So we'll see some beautiful programs today. So before that, I explained yesterday. Can you people note down these 3 points? Execute non-query is used for what? Insert, update, delete kind of operation. Execute reader and scalar will be used for reading the data from database, but scalar will return single value, but reader can have multiple values. Okay, just note down these 3 steps. Are you guys clear with all the steps? Can we move to program, or someone have any doubts or something? If someone needs some more explanation, yes, no, please tell me. So can you please connect with our admin Hari Prasad so that he will help you? Divya. See, this is same, similar to our notes. Whatever we wrote down there, same. Quotation. Yesterday you took the notes, right? The same one. We gave from the book. From there only we copied, but we simplified, that's it. Okay, done. So can we go to pronounce? See, if you are done, immediately tell me. We need to explain the progress step by step, so that the people will feel so much easy. That's the reason I'm asking. Done, everyone? Okay. So then I'm moving to the program. So I will just see whether any program is there. I want to write from the scratch. I don't know. Okay. Somehow we have the program. No. Okay. We have. Super. So this is employee number, employee name. Here employee number, employee name. Okay. Fine. Employee number, employee name. Okay. So now what I will do, so simply I will open my SQL server. First step, if you start with this one, so you need to have what? Database and table. So I will create one database and table. So now those who missed one or two classes, they can utilize this opportunity, like how to create table and that. So just listen carefully. Okay, so server type is what? Database engine, because we are using SQL Server as database. Select this one. Server name, you can keep dot, localhost or computer name. So currently I'm keeping dot. So we have two types of authentication. Windows authentication. Windows authentication means at the time of login into your PC, whatever the credentials you are entering, so that will automatically take care of the Windows authentication. SQL means you need to provide user ID and password of SQL server. So I'm going with Windows authentication, click and connect. And done. Okay, so now I will create one database. Right click on database, new database, employee, EMPLOYE. Okay, click on OK. Done. This step is also done. Now, so now expand this database. So here we got the employee database. Now expand table employee database. Here you will have table option. Right click on table, new table. Okay, so now you can give e number here. So and what is the data type? Int. So after that e name. Okay, what is the data type? Varchar. Okay, now save. Just remember the column names and data type. Okay, EMP. Okay, click on OK. Done. So now come back to our Visual Studio. So what is my concept now is, I will take one label, one more label, text box. This label is employee number. This label is employee name. Okay, text box here also. When user wants to submit, the values should save in database. Okay, got it? So this is what my concept. Okay, So here we will keep one more label, output label. This is what our plan of action for now. Okay, so we have, I'm deleting this one. So just think like we created one web form, that is what home.aspx. I don't see, the happiest thing is here we have the design. Okay, fine. So here, what is this one? EMPLE employee number. Here EMPLOE employee name. The output. So double click on button and write the following code. Okay, what you will write here? Your star will happily copy paste. Okay, because I already done this program. So interestingly, this is console application program. Okay, so now I will modify to this button now. Okay. Okay, so people see here. So you will feel, as easy as this one. Okay, I'll do. Okay. Okay, just I will modify this program, just 2 minutes. So Saujanya, you don't know what is console application? So did you learn C sharp? Yes, no, Saujanya? Okay. So for learning ASP.NET, definitely you need to have some knowledge on C sharp, Saujanya. That's what I recommend. My batch started yesterday, 7:30 to 9. Today we have a class 7:30 to 9. Yesterday only started. You can join there. So yesterday first demo class completed, so you can join. So you can ask our admin Hari Prasad. So you have his number, right? He will provide the link. So, okay. I just messaged his number. You can connect with him immediately. He will just ping message him like I need visuals at 7:30 to 9 batch. What is that link? Okay. Hmm. Okay. See, this is text box 2 dot text. I'm writing from beginning now. See. Okay. People see here. So we'll do one thing. So hmm, right. Step 3, open connection, pass the query. What is the table name EMP? Execute non-query. Here label 3 dot text equals to. Okay, this is the program. So there is nothing wrong in copying my own program to my own file, right? Done. It is so easy. I will explain now. Okay, so see here. What is our concept now? Simple. I have employee number. I have employee name. So who is employee number? Text box 1. Who is employee name? Text box 2. When I click on save button. So I am just renaming this to log into save. A register. Okay. The value should save in database. Okay. That is what my concept. Right. So, so now double click on button. What we need to write? The first step. So what we want to save now? E number and E name. So this E number and E name should match with data types, also match with SQL Server. Now open SQL Server. What is the column name here? Copy here. This one. Paste here. And what is the data type here? Integer. And here also integer. Oh, so here, what is my column name here? See the spelling mistake here. So you need to give the same spelling mistake here, or you need to change the spelling here. Anything is fine, but I will go with the spelling mistake only. Okay. So I will go with the spelling mistake only. Okay. I just changed. So wherever I have G name, I need to go with the spelling mistake. Okay. And now see, so here I'm just using typecasting, or you can go with unboxing anything. So why? Because by default it will accept the string. That's the reason we are simply converting into integer. Okay. So what is our step 1? Declare namespace. If we have already those namespaces, you don't need to include, but so this data client is not there, so you can add this one. Okay, so without data client also we can work this specific program, but so for some of the ADO.NET we cannot work. That's the reason I just added. Okay, so now, so what is the step 2? Now I will ask someone. Who is that someone? Gayatri. So Koteshwar Rao.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning, Koteshwar Rao. Now tell me, what is the first step, Koteshwar Rao?
First, define the namespace, sir.
So what are the two namespaces?
One is the system.data. Another one is the using system.data.spl client.
Perfect. So now what is the second step?
Second step, create the connection, sir,
Okay. So with whom?
within database.
Very good, Koteshwar Rao. Thank you. So I will ask someone. Okay. You are clear everything, right, Koteshwar
Yes,
Rao?
clear, sir.
Very good. Krishna.
Sir,
Hi, Krishna.
hi sir, good morning.
Good morning. So see what we have done here, integer e number, integer string e name. From where we took these two variables now? Tell me. So we declare here, but this should
Table
match.
name, sir. Table
From
name.
from table,
From
right?
table
From
name.
column
Yes,
names.
sir.
This is
Column name,
column.
sorry, sir.
Very good.
Column.
So from table column names, we should match. So data type also integer and string. So in SQL Server, string is called as what? Which data type?
Where can?
Very good. In SQL Server, string is called as varchar. Okay, done. So now,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So here, what is this data source dot? What else we can keep here?
Database name, sir.
Data. Oh no, dot. I'm asking here.
Huh.
What is this dot? What else we can keep here? This is what our
Local
server
host
name.
name, sir.
A local
Server
host.
name, local host.
Or dot. Or one more is there.
Desktop
One
name.
more. Correct. Your computer name.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Database. What is this database? Tell me, what is your database?
Employee.
So whatever
Database
the data,
name, sir.
whatever the database we created here, we need to give the name. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Thank you, Krishna. You can mute
Thank
yourself.
you, sir.
We'll give opportunity to other people. So Tejaswini or Teja, I don't know. Tejaswar Rao. So you don't unmute. So Rajeshwari.
Yes, sir.
Rajeshwari. Very good. So now tell me, what is the step 3?
Step 3 means open connection, sir.
Yes, madam. So open connection. So where is that open connection we are getting?
SQL to Visual Studio.
No. Yeah, correct. Okay. So where is that method available? In which class? That is available in which class, madam? SQL connection.
Yeah.
Okay. Now tell me, what is the syntax for calling a method in C#?
Calling.
Object name dot method name.
Yeah, sir.
So what is the object name there?
Object employee. No?
No, this one. So what is the class name, madam? So one question. So are you done with C#?
No, sir. I did not attend the C# classes.
Okay. From today, from yesterday, my C# batch started at 7:30. So all this is related to OOPS concepts. Like, see, the syntax for creating object is class name, object name equals to new class name. Okay.
Yeah.
So okay. So no problem. So you can join that C# class. So if you paid, so okay. So you can connect with our admin. So I shared his number in the chat, right? Just connect with him. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Got it. So someone raised the hand. Thank you. No problem. Good try. So Asha, someone raised their hand. You have question or you want to answer something? Yeah. Asha, I unmuted you.
Yes, sir.
Yep. So now tell me. So Asha, so what is the step 3?
Step 3 is con dot open, means connection dot open. Open the
Yeah,
connection.
correct. So this open is coming from where?
SQL connection con means SQL connection is class. Its object
Very
is
good.
con.
Very good. Very, very, very good. So from SQL connection class. So what is the syntax for calling a method?
Calling object dot open means method name.
Very
Con
good.
dot open.
Object name. What is the object name here? Con.
Con.
So dot open. Perfect, right? Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Whatever I explained till now, are you clear?
Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you, Asha.
Thank you, sir.
So now we'll ask our Santosh. Santosh, where is your name, man? This one. Santosh, you cannot speak. What?
Good morning, sir.
Hi, Santosh.
Hi, sir. Sir,
So what is?
we are passing query in this step 4, sir.
Yeah, we are passing the query. So this one. So we need to pass the query to whom means. So now where we will save the values? Tell me, Santosh, where we will
In the
store the value?
database, sir. Database.
Inside
Employee.
that, inside database, where we will store?
Table, sir. In
Very
tables, we
good,
will store.
very good. Table. So up here we have given our database name, but did we give any table name? No,
No,
right?
sir.
So that is the reason here we have given. What is that? Insert into, what is this one?
EMP,
Table.
sir. Table name. Table name, sir.
Here EMP is what?
Table name.
Table name. So here EMP is what? Table name. So that's what we created here. So if you go to our tables, you people can see the table name. Okay, this one. Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
very good. So after that, what is our column names here? E number
name.
and the spelling mistake of E name. So that's
Sir.
what we prepared. Sir, someone can ask me, sir, so you can we write like this? Yes, we can write like that, but for better understanding, I have taken one variable and I'm storing this query and I'm just passing that. So SQL command equal to new SQL command, query comma connection. So what is this con? This one. Okay, clear? Okay, so we'll go next. Alia.
Hello.
Hi, Alia.
Sir.
Yep. So are you able to hear me, right?
Hello. Next, execute the commands. Execute
Yeah.
that query.
So yeah, what are the options available for executing query, Alia?
Execute query, non-query, and reader. Execute reader.
So execute query, non-query. So execute non-query and reader is fine. One more is there.
Reader, sir.
Execute reader is fine. Execute non-query is fine. One more is, you left one more.
Execute scalar.
Very good. Execute scalar. You have opened your book, Alia?
Yes.
Just kidding. Okay, so execute non-query. Execute non-query means what will happen? We can save the data, we can update the data, we can delete the data. Okay, this type of operations if you want to do, we'll go with execute non-query. And finally, what is the last step?
Close
Alia?
the connection.
Close the connection. Where is this close available? Close method. Which class? In which class it is available? Tell me. So from where, con, what is this con? From where we got the con?
Connection.
Class, right?
Class.
SQL con.
Yeah.
Where is this clause available now?
In the SQL connection class.
So what is the syntax for calling a method?
Object name dot method.
Very good. So see, Alia, one thing. So if you are telling wrong also, I don't scold you anything. I don't ask you anything. So I will explain. If you, in fact, if you are telling wrong, I'm explaining. So see, you need to tell. So whatever you told till now, everything is correct. Okay, all the things are correct only. Okay, see this object name dot method name. I did not told. I mean, I explained, but I did not give in the notes. So that means you know the answer. So you should be confident, Alia. So you don't need to worry. See, your Vishwa sir is not scolding. If someone is telling wrong, also see. But suppose Rajeshwari, after speaking with her for 1 minute, I came to know like she was not aware of Shisha. Right. So I did not scold her. I did not ask her anything. So simple. You need to tell confidently. So why I'm telling this one means if you are going for interview, you need to answer the question confidently. If you know the answer and if you are unable to answer them, then what will happen? So that will be the biggest mistake. So when you know the answer, you need to tell confidently. Okay, the interviewer will check your confidence level every time. So if you have talent or not, if you have subject or not, that is secondary. But first thing he will check. See, when you are working with some Microsoft client or some clients and all, so external people or something. So if you don't tell everything confidently, then what will happen? So they will question the credibility of their organization. Okay, so that's the reason. So people always look for confidence in the people, developers. Okay, so you got my point, Alia.
Yes, sir.
So you don't need to think what Vishwashar will think. What if I tell wrongly or something? You don't need to worry. Okay. So see, this is not for everyone. Do you agree with me for this line? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me. So from where this close method came? I need with confidence, high intensity, everything. Make it loud.
SQL connection object name.
Yeah.
That
So correct. So SQL connection class consists of two methods. What are they?
open and close.
Very good. What is the syntax for calling a method?
Object dot method name.
Object name, you can say. Okay. It's object dot method name is correct, but object name dot method name will look like beautiful.
Okay, sir. Object name dot method name.
Correct. And finally, what we are doing in the here. So we are just printing after saving the values.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So clear. So yes. Now, anyone have? Yeah. Thank you so much, Alia.
Thank you.
Okay. So now anyone have questions here? So see, I'm not getting any doubts from you guys. I don't know whether you guys are practicing or not, but I request you guys to practice. And if you have questions or something, just show me. Or if you got the output, just sir, Vishnu sir, I got the outputs. This is what my screenshot. You can just show that. So if you're facing issue, sir, I'm not unable to understand this one. So can you please help me so that I will help you? Okay. Fine. So anyone have any questions here? So I see almost 10 people answered. Everyone is able to answer. Everyone is able to write the program. So I'm very happy for that. Okay. So fine. So yeah, tell me, Gopi, what is your question? Tell me, Gopi.
Sir, is post back here.
Sorry,
Post back is post back.
Gopi, we did not reach that one. We will. So and anyway, we will teach limited topics in ASP.NET, but So we have the topic, but anyway, why? Because so outside of the market, no one is teaching ASP.NET. So we are covering ASP.NET because if you are going for interviews, if interviewer asks you questions on ASP.NET, you should be able to answer the question. That's the reason I'm covering ASP.NET also. Okay, so this is most important. So why? Because now if you people have some interview opportunity or something, if you are going for interview or something, if they ask you for system test or something, so if we are done with the ADO.NET, people will able to do that. That's the reason I'm teaching ADO.NET little early. Got it?
Yes.
Sagar, sir, can you explain me design part of, because I am getting some issues while, so Sagar, if you share the screenshot, then definitely I will help you. So if you tell me here, how can I help you? I mean, how can I help you or how can I guide you? Just tell me. So if you, sir, I'm getting this error. If you see, you have my number, you can. So that's the reason I shared my number with everyone, right, Sagar? So just message me, sir. I'm facing this issue, so that I will help you. So okay, good. Okay. So yes, anyone. So see, Gopi, Annam Gopi, are you clear? Anusha, Arun. So see, if someone did not understand, I will explain one more time. That's why I'm asking. So nothing wrong. Sandhya, Balaji, Bhaskar, Bhushan, Gayatri, Chandrasekhar, Deepesh, Del. Who is the Del? Can you rename your name? Why you don't want to tell your name to everyone, man? Divya, you are absent for last 2 days. That's what you told. So are you able to understand this program now? Is that clear? So Garima, you got the point. You understood this program. Kiran, so nowadays I'm not seeing you in replies. Kiran, Nagababu, Nagina Patel. So madam, so you understood. So Nagina, I just unmuted you. You have any question? So this Pudi Tejaswini or so you never replied me. So Pudi means it's dynamic, I thought, but you are not speaking anything. How you are saying, sir, means I am also. Okay. Ramya, Ritika, so Smita, Shivraj. So why I'm asking everyone, Sohashini, Swapnil, Lakshmi, Rani, and Vasim. Why I'm asking, simple. Asha, so you have a doubt? Tell me, Asha. So why I'm asking? So ADO.NET is the most important. I don't know how many most I can keep, but still. Okay. So so that much important. So that's the reason I'm asking everyone. If someone is having doubt, I'm ready to explain one more time. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Yeah, madam, tell me. Asha.
Actually, I have no doubt, sir. All clear, but give one task this project also.
I will give task today.
Okay, sir.
If we have time, I will give task today. Otherwise, I will give task on Monday. That is not a task. It's a project.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So I see. I want everyone from here, like 50 people, 56 people from this group. I want everyone should practice this program and share the screenshot with me. Okay, so that I will. Okay, I will think. Okay, just note on the program. So meanwhile, I will speak. See, my mouth won't stop talking. I don't know. So how it will stop, I don't know. But still, okay. So yeah. I will give a beautiful project now, mini project. Okay, so we'll see that on Monday mostly. So I don't give code for that. I'm just telling. So you people needs to code that. Now checkbox project, code, radar button code, drop down code, all the code. So now ADO.NET code, a table now, database now. So you need to save all those values. Now how to redirect from one page to another page, all these things. Now I will ask you people to design 5 pages, 5, 6 pages. One is registration, one is login, and one is something else. One is something else, like that. So I will ask you people to do that. But wait, so I need output for this program. Then only for design. Sorry. Thank you, Asha. Yeah, you can mute yourself. So this is home.aspx. Just first note down the design. So make it first. So I'm very happy. So most of the people understood. So the people who are not having a little knowledge on C# or something, I recommend you guys see again, if you want my batch again. So here only 6 to 7. That means after more than 2 months, we'll start in the same time slot. So the 7:30 to 9, if you want, almost you need to wait for 6-7 months. Why? Because I need to complete C# there, and again I need to start the ASP.NET there. Once it got completed, then I will move towards what? So Durga Lakshmi, I will share. So 99% today I will share the book C#. So those who need C#, then they can use them. Okay, done with the design. Double click on button, write the following code. So for ADO.NET, we are going little slow because see, it's not little slow, but my target, everyone should understand. That's the reason I'm going step by step, step by step, step by step. So if we are killing, see the same program, copy paste. So simply I will modify for MVC and I will use this program. Okay. So what will happen? So in web API, I will use the same program. So wherever we go with ADO.NET, I will give the same code. Why? Because whenever you are going for interview or something, you can simply remember this program and you can crack the interview. That's what I feel. Okay, everyone done with the program? Okay, so thanks all for joining. We'll meet tomorrow. Happy weekend and practice this program and come back with me your questions. Okay.